not gonna be sorry for none of it. I loved you on purpose. I was always on purpose. I'm not even sorry about you being sorry.
Over there.
You can take all your guilt and all your grime and do whatever you want with it. Just don't give it to me.